I'm going to be showing you how to do a slip knot just to get you started, and also how to make a chain. These are the very first things you need to do when you start crocheting. You'll need a crochet hook and some yarn. The first step is to make a slip knot. Wrap the yarn round your fingers like this. Pinch the yarn in with your thumb and middle finger. Make a slip knot first. Place a hook on the right side of the yarn. Hold the crochet hook, yarn round hook in a counterclockwise direction. Pinch where the yarns cross with your thumb and middle finger. Yarn round hook. Pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the loop. Now you have a slip knot on your hook. So now we're ready to create a chain stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook in a counterclockwise direction. This is called yarn over and will be used in many different stitches. When you do this, make sure you wrap the yarn firmly but not too tightly. You want to have a good balance of tension. Make the hook tip face downward. Pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That is a chain stitch. And as many people refer to it as a V shape because you've got a sort of V shape appearing. This V shape is an important visual cue in crochet. Try again. Yarn over, that is, wrap the yarn around the hook counterclockwise. Make the hook tip face downward. Pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. As you pull, use a smooth and steady motion. Don't pull too hard or too softly. If you pull too hard, the stitch will be too tight, and if you pull too softly, the stitch will be loose. So let's do some more yarn over pull through. Yarn over. Make the hook tip face downward. Pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Okay, that's 3. Repeat. Keep repeating these steps to create a chain of the desired length. Keep practicing this, and you'll gradually get better at controlling the tension and making consistent V-shaped stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 chains and each chain is a little V. This is the most basic stitch, but it's also the foundation for many other beautiful crochet patterns. Practice making chains of different lengths and soon you'll be ready to move on to more advanced stitches. Thank you for watching this tutorial.